Bleh. That's it. Hey guys, what's up? It's Mac and Jack. Welcome back to our channel. If you're new, thank you so much for watching this video. If you are a returning subscriber, thanks again for watching. Today's video is going to be a really easy DIY one, and I asked some people on Facebook if I posted a face mask tutorial, if you would watch it, and the ones that are watching, thank you. It is a requested video. And it is a much needed video at this time, so I wanted to do something that would help people. I do have a couple of face mask videos on my YouTube already. One is a fleece one and one is a bandana tutorial, so if you want to check those out, I will link them below. This one is a no-sew face mask tutorial, and this face mask, I'll go ahead and show you guys. So I finally got the mask on. It took me a few minutes, and I'm sorry if I sound really muffled. It is layered, so it is pretty thick, which is good. It does take a minute to put on. I do have a piercing right here, an industrial piercing, so it does kind of get in the way of that, but it's not bothering it at all, so that's good to know. Like if you have piercings and you're afraid of that, it probably won't bother it. But my ears are also really small, so it's kind of like hard to keep these on my ears. But it is staying so far, so I really do like it. It is very hot, but I think it's this ring light that I have on me right now, so I'm sweating. This mask, I do like it because it is thick and you can customize it. I would recommend a material that does not fray. You can use one that frays, but just know that it might be messier and it may not last as long. So this material does not fray, and I don't know if it's gonna protect you like a normal mask would, but it is better than nothing. So if you just needed to get something real quick before you went to the store or something, this might be ideal for you. Oh, I'm gonna take this off. I'm sweating with that mask, y'all. I think it's just this ring light. I don't think it has to do with anything else because it's not even that hot out yet. It's only March. The tutorial does not take very long at all. It's very easy, very simple, and you don't need a lot of things to do it, but I will show you guys what you need, and let's go ahead and get started. For this face mask, you just need a scrap piece of material, less than half a yard will do, 2 hair ties, a rotary cutter, or fabric scissors. Go ahead and start cutting your fabric. Now take your fabric and fold it in half, and then fold it again on the other side, and make sure you layer it. Put the hair ties on the end, and then put the ends of it on the inside. And you're all done. What do you guys think about this face mask? Would you guys wear this? Let me know in the comment section below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Stay safe, my friends.